I'm Michelle Thomas. I'm the new hotel opening manager for Lamington Group /room2. Room2 is our take on a hotel. We call it a hometel. Most of the rooms have kitchens, full kitchen facilities for you to cook and prepare your own breakfast, sandwich to a full cooked dinner. You have all of the utensils to cook and prepare a lovely meal. It's a place to come and stay, be yourself, relax and have all of the comforts of home, but the services of a hotel. I'm getting older, I'm 47. Sustainability has become much more of a focus for us, for me personally and for the business. We are delivering our services but with the most sustainable options available. It's really important to have an eco-friendly cleaning product because we want to make sure that the facilities that we provide for our guests are safe, looking after the planet. We want to make sure that the team members are using products that are safe to use. For years I've had team members come with a rash that's given them, or even breathing problems. So it's really important for us to look after everyone and the planet. Our hometels, with all of the kitchens, ovens, we have to turn around the room in a really good time, but make sure that the cleanliness is perfect. So a product that is good for people and the planet and actually gets the job done. Okay, so we had a sustainability manager. She was looking into products. She introduced them to me. I tried them at our Southampton hotel and I tested them thoroughly. I went into rooms. I know that I had 20 minutes to clean that room, used the products and had great result. So we tested them for a week and then as we got the results that were required, yeah, it was a no-brainer to change. We've been using Delphis for 2 years. Part of the decision process is finding a product that works, for sure. We wanted it to be plant-based, but we wanted to have a reliable product and the full range was available for us. Our rooms are equipped with sinks for washing up, so we would like the washing up liquid. We have to clean the bathrooms. It was hand sanitizer, it was multi-purpose cleaner, and we could have one brand that supplied all of that. We tried several eco products, but again we found that they didn't do the full range. It was only 1 or 2 items, but actually when I actually tested them, Delphis gave the results in the quick time that we need to do our rooms. So we use a supplier for all of our products, from toilet roll to cleaning chemicals. So we asked them to go out to the market and find us the products that would be suitable, but also our sustainability team went out looking. And I believe someone from Delphis reached out to us, and once we did our research, yeah, it was great. Changing from the regular products to Delphis was really easy, and we found so many things that were great for us. That when you enter one of our rooms, they don't smell of chemicals, that it's just perfect. I feel comfortable knowing that our guests and their children and their pets are going to be safe in that room. Making the switch was easy. I had samples sent over, tried them all, had the team try them. I took them home, used them on my shower, toilets to check stuff. And then once the products worked, Delphis made the rest easy. For me, I can do everything with it. It works well. I'll spray it on a badly stained shower, leave it for a few minutes, go back, wipe it. It's perfect first time. Because I'm passionate about the change, the impact it's had on the team and our business, and yeah, it's a great product, so I'll happily be the face.